Good morning, students. This is our experiment of study of iodine absorption spectra and finding the dissociation constant and force constant of the iodine material. What do you mean by dissociation constant? Dissociation constant means the degree of breaking up ions of the iodine material, that is called as the dissociation. The degree of breaking up iodine vapors is called as the dissociation. So we have to find out the dissociation energy and force constant. What is force constant? Force constant means it is K equal to F upon X. K is equal to F upon X, Newton per meter. That is F equal to Kx. F equal to Kx is the formula from simple harmonic motion, vibratory motion. So here the iodine molecules are in vibrational motion. So that's why we have to determine their force constant. For determining the force constant, we use the darkroom setup, and in this darkroom setup we need a 100-watt bulb. This 100-watt bulb is used to produce the heat on the iodine material. So this is a 100-watt bulb. Clear? Is that okay? Agree? Clear? And this one is known as the glass tube, in which we have kept the iodine. Clear? And this particular lamp is called as infrared answer. Infrared म्हणतात ना त्याला.
सोडियम वेपर लॅम्प.
नाही, हा सोडियम वेपर लॅम्प आहे.
ओके.
IR हा infrared lamp आहे. This lamp is called as the infrared lamp. It gives the radiation in infrared region. What is infrared region? The 6500 angstrom unit to 7000 angstrom unit. That will be the wavelength range. Clear? And when this infrared radiation falls on this iodine material, clear? The iodine absorbs this energy. Clear? It becomes heated, and when it becomes heated, clear, this particular instrument is known as the spectrometer. Clear? This one is called as the collimator. This you have been used in the third semester practical. This is called as the collimator. Clear? Where there is a slit, you have to find the spectra. You will see the spectra through this. Clear? This is known as the prism table or grating stand. Here we are putting the grating. This is the face of the grating. So we are putting the grating. Grating is as good as the combination of large number of slits. So this is a grating that you have been studied in third sem. You have to keep this instrument in this way, that this total scale is in 360 degree. So that's why these two windows, window 1 and window 2 of the spectrometer, should be on the opposite side of each other, so that they are 180 degree difference should be created between these two windows, W1 and W2. This is the grating. Grating is kept on the grating holder. This is the grating holder. So when keep the grating on the grating holder, clear, you will find, this is known as the telescope. This is called as the collimator. This is called as the telescope, or it is called as the objective lens or eyepiece. Clear? So you have to focus that spectra over here. Clear? In this, so you will find a iodine spectra. Clear? Fine iodine spectra will be seen over here. And that iodine spectra have the various lines.
फोकस करो.
So you have to focus in this manner, and you'll get the diffraction pattern of the iodine spectra, and various lines of the iodines will be seen in this iodine spectra. Clear? A well-defined diffraction pattern is seen over here, just like you did in third sem in dispersion of light. You see the diffraction pattern. So here also you will get the diffraction pattern. दिसत नाही, melt नाही झाला. So here you, when you will get the diffraction pattern inside, okay? So you will get a spectrum in this position. You will get the spectrum, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, like this the spectrum is seen. So you have to focus this on the first line. Clear? And you have to record the window 1 and window 2 reading. Clear? ठीक है. तो first line, that is called as the red line 1. Clear? ठीक है. Note the reading window 1, window 2. Clear? Then go on the fifth line. Sorry, go on the fifth line by adjusting this and note the reading of window 1 and window 2. After the fifth line you will see the green line. So focus this eyepiece and coincide the cross wire on the green line and you will get the absorption spectra of green line, that will called as the RG. Clear? And note the reading of window 1 and window 2. Clear? Then using the table find out the calculations. So this is what the experiment has to be performed. From that experiment you will find the various wavelength of lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda g. Clear? And from that, using the formula of dissociation energy D equal to Hc 1 upon lambda g minus 1 upon lambda r upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. Then the force constant has a formula F equal to 4 pi 2 mu. Clear? C delta nu by 2 Newton per meter. ठीक है. So your answer should be in the range of energy should be 0.7 electron volt and force constant must be 40 to 80 Newton per meter. Clear?